Hello students, I welcome you all to the today's lecture for 12th standard commerce students. Myself Ms. Swati Gavasne, commerce lecturer, presents in front of you today's lecture of 12th standard OCM, Organization of Commerce and Management for Maharashtra State Board English Medium student. My course subjects are OCM and economics. I will be uploading lectures of economics and SP secretarial practice for 12th standard students. Subscribe to my channel, and to get daily lectures, click onto the bell icon. Do like and share my videos. So let's begin with today's session. Before getting into the syllabus, or before starting the chapter 1, that is principles of management, students, it's very important to know about the question paper pattern, as you didn't appear for 11th annual exam. You have not gone through or experienced this question paper pattern, because 11th standard annual exam question paper pattern is the same pattern for the 12th standard HSC board examination. So you're also aware of 80-20 pattern. 80 marks full syllabus paper based, and 20 marks for, previously it was for projects and viva work was conducted on it. Now as 11th standard last year syllabus has been changed, and this year 12th standard syllabus is changed, so viva or the project work has been vanished, or it has been omitted, and new pattern of application test based, about which I'm going to discuss in this lecture only. So let's begin with the first annual question paper pattern of HSC board. So here we begins with the first question. From the following types of sub questions, any 4 will be asked, 5 marks each. Total will be 20 marks. Out of these given sub questions, you have to answer only 4, and the total marks allotted is 20 marks. In that sub question, first A, select the correct option and rewrite the sentence. Match the pairs, give one word or phrase straight true or false. Find the odd one, complete the sentences, select the correct option from the bracket, answer in one sentence, correct the underlined word and rewrite the following sentence, arrange in proper order. As if now you have got it, what I have just told you, these all are coming in exercise after every lessons which you have done in 11th standard. Same will be there for the 12th standard also. From question number 2 till question number 8, I have prepared a chart with a clear description, question number, questions, question per, marks per question, number of questions to be attempted, and in marks also 2 sub columns have been made, without option and with option. Question number 2, explain the following terms or concepts. Marks per question 2, you have to write any 4 out of 6. 8 marks, and with option 12 marks. Question number 3, study the following cases or situations and express your opinion. Marks per question will be 3, you have to attempt only 2, marks will be 6, and with option 9. Question number 4, distinguish between 4 marks per question, any 3 you have to attempt, 12 marks, without option and with option 16 marks. Question number 5, answer in brief, 4 marks per question, any 2 you have to attempt out of 3, marks with without option 8 and with option 12. Question number 6, justify the following statement. Marks per question 4, you have to attempt any 2 out of 4, without option 8 marks and with option 16 marks. Question number 7, attempt the following. Marks per question 5, you have to attempt any 2 out of 3, without option 10 marks, with option 15 marks. And the last question, answer the following, which is long answer, 8 marks per question. Here you have to write only one, or you have to attempt only one question out of 2 options. total marks is 8, with option 16 marks. Like that, if you will consider without option, the marks total is coming 80, and with option it's coming 116, but we have to consider only 80 marks. This was the 80 marks pattern. Now this is a new one, which I think so many of the colleges has done this in the month of the March. Application based test, 1 hour, ABT. It is also called as ABT, based on complete syllabus. Even the 80 marks question paper is also based on complete syllabus. For this, let us see now 20 marks, what all will be there. Question number 1, correct the underlined word and rewrite the following sentence, 4 marks. Question number 2, complete the sentence, 4 marks. Question number 3, find the odd one or arrange in proper order, 3 marks. Question number 4, study the following case or situation, any 3 out of 4, 9 marks. So this is total covering 20 marks. ABT type, you have to write it, and these 20 marks plus 80 marks will be totally converted into 100 marks. For the 12th standard, after correcting this ABT paper, your teacher will be sending the marks from your college to the board examination, board centers, and there along with the 80 marks, this 20 marks, total 100 marks, you will get it. So this was all about the discussion about the question paper pattern and that all. In the next lecture, I will be starting with our first chapter, that is Principles of Management. So if you like the students my lecture, please do not forget to subscribe my channel. Hit the bell icon and do not forget to share. Thank you.